So I'm finally getting around to relocating the cord on my old trusty grinder here on this workbench. It's really not the best place that we put it, but it's been like this for about, 5-6 years. Haven't had any issues. It's always been kind of a afterthought to relocate the cord, so here we are. Just have to undo these steel zip ties. And this one over here. There's already a hole here, so we'll just do it here. Fits perfectly. I'm about to reroute the cord underneath the table. This time I'm just going to use standard zip ties. Not going to go too tight with these either. I just want these ties to hold the cord up and out of the way. Just kind of like that. There's still plenty of slack on it. It's not eating into the cord, so we're fine. Now for the other two. Mostly just reinstalling this the way that we had originally put it in. And these two screws up here is just kind of a redneck way to hold the cord on this side. And then I'll just get some electrical tape or something and just tape that up. So it's all good now. Just have to clip those tails off. Got that mounted there, and that's that. Next project is to install this one. So this one's all done. Off camera, I just drilled a couple holes, used some reclaimed aviation hardware that was destined for the trash at work, which I grabbed. And here we go. This one's installed too. Big washers here at the bottom. Here's the other one. Turns on. Even the lamp still works.